Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show ruler in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now, I am show ruler in InDesign. Now, firstly, go to the table menu and go to the view menu, and you can see here are many menu. Now here are show ruler, then click show ruler. Now here are my show ruler. In this, here is this is a ruler. Now here, now you can show ruler another way. Then now I am first hide this ruler and click, go to the view and click hide. Now I am show the ruler another way. Press Ctrl R on your keyboard, and you can see here are the showing the InDesign ruler. You can use this ruler easily. Now you can see show ruler in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.